Hi, this is Bruce from Christie's RV, and this trailer here is a 2018 North Point 387 RDFS rear den with 5 slides on it. Something we've just brought in on trade. Nice big trailer for if you're traveling extensively or if you're looking for something luxury to park at home or at the camp. So we'll look at the outside of the trailer first. We've got large storage area, pass-through storage from the one side to the other, spot on the outside here where you can hook up another TV, as well as having your central vac built into the trailer with the controls in the compartment here. The trailer is generator prepped, so it has the upgraded on the propane tanks. You actually have 3 40-pound propane tanks on the trailer. So you've got one on this side and 2 on the other side of the trailer. Compartment for your generator and batteries underneath the front of the trailer. So lots of room for battery storage as well as for generator if you so choose to put a generator into the trailer. Part of the 5-star handling package on the trailer is the MoRide pin box. It allows for easing the chucking motion on the trailer as you're going down the road with it moving back and forth a little bit for you. Coming around to the other side of the trailer, you've got your other 2 40-pound propane tanks, as well as the controls for your auto leveling system up in the back there, and then your battery shut-off switch for the trailer. This is the access on the other side for the storage compartment. We looked on the first side, as well as all of your controls for your water system, your gray water, black water tank drains. So you've got your control system, as well as to be able to winterize your trailer. Has an outside shower connection here, has a water filter on it, and then also has a plug-in for solar on the side if you were to use a portable solar power with the trailer. Your water heater, vent for your furnace. This is the SaniCon system on the trailer. So what the SaniCon system is it's a macerator system, so that instead of draining your black water, gray water tanks through the normal 4-inch valve underneath the trailer, you can pull this pipe out and turn on the open up your black water valve, turn on the macerator pump, and it pumps everything out through the smaller line. More convenient and for when you're dumping your tanks. Back side of your fridge, vent over the top of the stove, and then the storage under the back end of the unit. So you've got this huge pass-through storage here, another storage area here, 50 amp service on the trailer, access into the back storage compartment also through the back of the trailer, ladder to be able to access the roof of the trailer. It's prepped for rear observation camera, as well as having a Reese accessory hookup so that you can put a bike rack or a cargo rack on the back of the trailer if needed. Again, the access to the other side of the very back storage, and then your pass-through storage in the center area of the trailer. This is one of the landing legs for the auto leveling system. It's actually a 6-point leveling system. So you've got a set of jacks at the back, you've got a set of jacks just in front of the wheels, and then of course the front landing legs on the trailer to be able to stabilize your trailer when parked. All of the windows on the trailer are frameless windows, and they're a thermal window, so they're a double pane window. Come on, let's have a look inside this unit. You've got the MoRide steps with the assist on it, so that when you're bringing your steps down, you're not having to carry the weight of them. Both of the legs are adjustable, so if you're on an uneven surface, you can level out the bottom of the steps for it. Come on in, let's have a look inside. So your 5 slides on the trailer, you've got 4 of them in this area of the trailer. You've got 2 in the kitchen dining area, so your dining room table is on a slide out. Your fridge, stove, and pantry are on a slide out. And then moving up into the back end of the trailer is where you've got 2 more slides with sofas on them. Your table, it's an expandable table. So it just lifts. You've got additional storage under the back side of it. Comes out to give you more space. There's 2 more chairs that are folding chairs that are stored up underneath the master bed to give you that little bit extra space when you've got 4 people in the trailer for dinner. Fridge is an 18 cubic foot 2-way fridge, so it's both gas and electric, so you can run it off of either propane or 110 power, and has an ice maker in it. All of your cabinetry in the table is all maple hardwood cabinetry, all mortise and tenon joints on your cabinets. And everything, as per Jayco standards, is all pocket screwed and glued in place for your cabinet stays and everything. Controls for the overhead fan. It also has a rain sensor on it, so if it senses that it's starting to rain, it will automatically close on its own. USB ports, plug-ins, nice coffee station here, so that if you're setting up your coffee pot and that for the morning, or possibly a margarita blender in the afternoon. Lots of cabinets, lots of drawers in the trailer. You've got 3 nice big sized drawers down this side, already divided up for your cutlery. Again, all plywood interior on your drawers. All self-closing drawers. Cabinet space down here to be able to put your wastebasket in. Large gas oven, and then the separate 3-burner stovetop. Overhead microwave with the built-in fan and light for over top of the range. Beautiful pantry. 3 nice big shelves, has a plug-in in there if you're wanting to plug anything in, as well as having an additional 4 drawers in the pantry. More storage to tuck things away. Lots of room in this trailer for if you're traveling extensively, or if you've got it parked as a seasonal cottage to store all of your goodies in. Moving up into the living area of the trailer, you've got 2 hide-to-bed trifold sofas, your fireplace, your stereo console. Your TV is motorized and comes up in this area here. And then, of course, more cabinetry all up over top. You've got the theater seating here, which are powered seats, as well as having heat and massage in them. So they power out for you, as well as if you had a hard day, put the heat and the massage on just to settle things down a bit. Moving back down through the kitchen area of the trailer. This is your part of your central vac system, where you can either plug in your hose on the left-hand side or a sweeper port on the right-hand side, where you just sweep the dirt to, open the door, and it'll suck it all into it. Very convenient for keeping the trailer clean for you. Moving up into the bathroom. Nice big shower with a tri-panel glass door. Large overhead fan in the bathroom area. Lots of room on your sink, your vanity. Medicine cabinet storage, as well as storage beneath, towel storage, hooks and towel rings, as well as the very stable porcelain foot flush toilet. Full tub surround in it, has a seat there, nice and convenient. Spot to be able to put your shampoos and soap on, as well as having the skylight over top of the shower to give you lots of natural light. Moving into the bedroom area You've got your full-size bed. You've got windows on either side of the bed. The bed lifts for additional storage underneath, which has your 2 extra chairs in it, as well as room for more goodies and such. This is the 5th slide on the trailer, so the head of the bed slides out. So it allows for having the big wardrobe closet across the front of the trailer. You've got access on both sides, as well as on the opposite side here, where you also have washer and dryer PEP for the trailer. The unit is equipped with 2 air conditioning systems in it, one for your bedroom up here, and then the one down in the main area of the trailer. Bureau here, with 4 drawers on it, and then comes with the TV in the bedroom area also. If you'd like a full tour of the North Point trailer, give us a call at 705-777-2200. Talk to myself, Bruce, or any one of our salespeople to help you out. Thanks a lot and happy camping.